One of the reasons why there is still food poisoning occurring nowadays is because of poor hand hygiene. The majority of people, once they get their food and they want to wash their hand, they will just dip their hand into the water like this. When you do this, your hand will still be full of germs, because when you dip your hand into the water like this, that is a poor hand hygiene technique. And in today's video, I would want to share with you the step-by-step guide with a proper hand hygiene technique. They are 7 in number, so it's a 7-step guide so that you'll be able to know the proper way to wash your hand. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, before you wash your hand, you need to get your soap. So after you rub the soap on your hand, first of all, you need to rub palm to palm, palm to palm. You rub palm to palm for at least 20 seconds. Then the second step is the back of your hand. So the left side, you rub the left back of your hand, then also the right at the back. Then the third step, even though it's palm to palm, but you need to interlock your fingers, then you rub it. That is the third step. Then the next step is that you need to rub at the back of your fingers, at the back of my fingers, you understand? Then I'll do same for this one. Then the next thing is that you now rub your thumb. The next one, your thumb. You understand? Then the next step is the tip of your fingers. So you now put the tip of your fingers into your hand. The tip of your fingers. The same thing applies to this one. Then the last one will be your wrist. So once you are done with this, one is to wash your hand. You understand? Yes. Now, you see that my fingernails are short. I have cut them down. There are some people that they might have a very long fingernails. Even though you might do this proper hand hygiene technique, if you still have these long fingernails, the germs are now found underneath your fingernails. So even though you need to do proper hand hygiene technique, you also need to cut your hand short. You understand? Because that will also go a long way in order to prevent food poisoning. One of the reasons why there is still food poisoning occurring nowadays is because of poor hand hygiene. So if you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you.